In this video, we will learn how to calculate total disk size in PHP. I will be using function disk total space, which returns the total size in bytes. Let's see example. If I have a variable drive and I can set its value to the drive whose space we want to calculate. I will use a C drive on Windows and uh, I will use a variable total space and call this total space function. Here I will pass the name of our drive, and to get the size in megabytes I need to divide by number of bytes in 1 megabyte, that is 104.8576. This will give us the total space in megabytes for drive C, such as over here. And if you want to see how much we have the use space, we can get it that by calling this free space function and subtract it from total space. Let's see, used space, and then from total space I can subtract disk free. This should be disk free space and pass in our drive. It will return us a free space of this drive, and then I need to convert in megabyte. I will use 104.8576 to convert into megabytes. So what we are doing over here is, from total space we are subtracting disk free space, then it will give us a use space in megabytes. Now I'm just going to print it. Use printf function disk and then allocate it in float format in megabyte and used. And then pass in our disk. This will be printed over here, and total space. This will be printed over here. And the last one, used space. And the value of use space will be printed over here. So just need to save and run our program. I will save it as a disk space. or disk underscore space dot php. I need to end the double quote over here. Let's start it from here. This one is drive. And when I execute the script, you can see it printed disk C has allocated this much space and use this much space. So this way in PHP you can calculate total disk space and then use space. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.